Hi everyone, let's talk about Phunware. It's a company that provides integrated software platforms that equips companies with the product solutions and services to engage, manage, and monetize their mobile applications portfolios worldwide. This is already up within past year over 1000%. This is why the source on the rumor it will be working with Trump. There's a speculation that company is being tapped to build former Trump's president the social media platform. And actually, I made the video of it in January, end of January, so January 30th. And if we, for example, take a look, so what's the this $2 penny stock will explode, huge potential, 2 times best penny stock to buy now. And actually that day was here around the 29th. It was most probably Saturday because it jumped there. And actually it made 50% since that. And with a short period of time it decreased. It even were at worst, I guess, somewhere around 60%. Yeah, within this is actually 8 months, and those waiting 9-10 months will made since that day 325%. And actually probably many were averaging after this one. So whenever the price hits $2, they are buying more. $3, they're buying more. Of course, this is not financial advice, but the strategy will look in this way. So even if you brought here and you're texting me in comment section, oh, I brought, and this is in 1 month decreased by 56%. This is actually like very bad scenario to sell here or even here. You will be commenting that I'm actually out of this one. This is decreasing so far 71% within 7 months. But actually people doesn't realize that there's a huge potential, like possibly came here within like few days. This is up 700%. How much is from here? Yeah, 900% returns. So if you were averaging here, this will make you 300%. If you average in here, almost 200. If you average it here, 500, and yeah, so here 900%. This is the returns if you were averaging highly volatile share price. Of course, this is pretty risky stuff because there's not so much liquidity here. Like only today's liquidity shows that 571 million were in the volumes. This is actually, it made even $24 per share. So this current price is not even the highest. So I guess it rose over 1000%. Yeah, I guess so, because it went to the highest point 24.04. This is pretty huge. So even, man, I can't explain even how far. Yeah, I jumped 1000% after it resumed. Yeah, there's pretty risky, but there's a huge returns revenue. But of course, in my opinion, I just analyze the fundamental stuff because there's many of the speculation going on. Define your strategy. If you're a trader, then probably my channel is not for you. But if you're a long-term investor, there could be possibly nice ideas for the future. So yeah, revenue is forecasted to grow 47% per year. Future growth 2 out of 6. This is, by the way, Snowflake Analyze show pretty reddish Reddish dot there. Market cap 116 million. On the risk side, it has less than 1 year of cash runaway. Shareholders have been subsequently diluted. That means that they printed a lot of shares out. So shares outstanding keep every year increasing while total sales decreasing every year. So I guess, in my opinion, I was here already said that this is like long term, like kind of if they would have some good news, it could be some opportunities there. But anyway, currently the company is unprofitable, not forecasted to become profitable the next 3 years. It has pretty volatile share price, and here's the competitors: Oracle and Adobe, which has both yellow, the snowflake analyze. And price history and performance, we see a lot of earning updates, client updates, private placement. This is all leading to the 1 year return. I see it over 1000%. And of course, with those numbers, it outbids the US software industry and also the US market. Price volatility considered as highest. About the company, it founded 2009, employees 58, fundamentals, so market cap 116 million, revenue 8 million, earnings minus 35 million. This is highly like in the deep and on the earnings side. Valuation side, TipRanks has the $1.88 price target. The Market Watch has slightly better, average $2.48 per share. And future growth for the company forecasted 44%. Earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to grow, but not till the profitable side, unfortunately. The past performance, so earnings are decreasing since 2019. And the company is unprofitable. Financial health side, so actually this is information, this is pretty important information. They had a lot of cash back in March 2021, but they managed to decrease I guess they decreased the level of depth here, so it decreased with the depth. Also equity decreased as well, and currently cash 2.7 million, depth almost 4, so cash is not covering the depth, but luckily they have more of equity. Debt to equity ratio is 38, considered satisfactory. Balance sheet looks mostly green. Insider transactions, skip the management. Insider, yeah, there's on the seller side. September, June, May, there's an independent director. Yeah, and second also, but not a significant of amount, the money here. Ownership breakdown, public holding almost 70%, institutions 13, insiders 6, VCP firms 5, hedge fund 5, private companies less than 1%, top shareholders Vanguard increased. There's the second individuals that have been increasing, BlackRock decreased, and many of the company, by the way, and also the individuals have been increasing. So CEO, secretary director 10% added, independent director decreased same amount, and there's an independent interim chairperson adding, also strategic advisor added. So many of them have been adding, and I guess, yeah, the volatility is huge. Investing.com summarizes the stock for long-term investors as a neutral. Moving average buy, technical indicators as a sell. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video or dislike the video, and see you in a future one.